In this video, I'm going to compare the top cashback sites in the UK so you can decide which one is best for you. Hi, my name is Jan Moss, and if you like to make money online or save money online, then don't forget to hit subscribe. So what is a cashback site? Well, a cashback site is just a site that you go to when you're going shopping. And instead of shopping direct with, say, Boots or Sainsbury's or whatever you were looking for, you go through this website and check if they have that shop on offer through their website. And if they do, you click their link and then you get sent through to the shop. And this happens, you get a cashback when you purchase an order. Sometimes it can go wrong, but there is usually a good customer support which can help you if things don't work. So for example, if I wanted to buy some insurance online, the websites often do a comparison for you as well, so you can have a look at the different sorts of insurance. But then you would say you discovered one that you really wanted, you'd go to the cashback site and you'd click through to that insurance company and it tracks it. And how it works is they get a commission. If they've referred someone to say the insurance company, they will get a commission from it. And they will pass that saving on back to you. It could be 100% or it could be less, but it will tell you what the percentage is for each deal. So I hope that makes sense. If not, then do drop me a line underneath, drop me a comment and I'll explain it a little bit more to you. But so now we need to look at which ones we have. So the two top ones in the UK at the moment are Topcashback and Quidco. And there's also another one I want to quickly mention to you at the end called Kidstart. So what are the differences between the two? So the first one, Topcashback, that one is generally got higher levels overall of commission or cashback, and it's also got more sites that you can shop through. So why wouldn't you just use that? Well, wait and see. I shall give you a bit more information. So they have a highest rates guarantee, but that doesn't mean to say that the other one hasn't. So we'll talk about that in a minute. And they have more users as well that use this one. It's generally perhaps actually thought of as the top cashback site in the UK, but it might not be for you, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now you can go on and have a premium membership of this, which is £5 a year, which isn't much. Just gives you extra cash back basically. And there is also another way to earn money through this one, so I will tell you that in a moment as well. But the different ways you can do it, you can use an app. You can use an app to get your cash back, or you can have a browser extension, or you can literally just go to the website and then look for the product or the company that you're looking for. Now the other way you can earn money through these cashback sites are when you become a member yourself. If you refer someone else to them, to the actual cashback site, you will get cashback for that as well, or at least like a little award. So for top cashback, for example, you actually get £30 cashback when you refer somebody else once that person has started using the site and they've got so much cashback themselves. It could be, it depends on the deal at the time, but it's often around £10. Once that person has got £10 cash back, then you'll get £30 reward for yourself, which you can just withdraw or you can use on other sites as well. The person that you refer will also get a £10 sign up bonus coming from the referral. So if you just go and join yourself, just go and find Topcashback and register yourself, you don't get any deals. But if you do it through referral, then you can get £10 sign up bonus. And the details of that you need to look yourself at the time, because it always varies a little bit. So if you would like a referral code, then look down in the description and I will give you mine, and that will give you the referral bonus. Obviously check the conditions at the time, because it depends when you're watching this. If it's in many years time, it could be completely different, but this is how it is right now. So now the next one, Quidco. So why would you use Quidco if it's not as good levels of cashback in the first place? Well, this one has a double guarantee on the cashback that you'll get for a site. So if you found, say you had something that you wanted to get from a store that uses Quidco and it also uses Topcashback, and Topcashback was a higher level of commission on it, you could claim the difference, not only the difference but double the difference through Quidco. You might not want to bother, you might want to just go with Topcashback because you have to go through the procedure, but that's one reason. It's also a £1 a month for the premium on Quidco, but if you're not using it that month you don't pay it, so it could work out less than the £5 from the Topcashback site. And then they have some exclusive offers such as Argos. At the time of writing again, or speaking should I say, Topcashback doesn't have Argos as one of their customers or one of their suppliers that you can go through. And Quidco only has £10 for any referrals you do, and the person you refer only gets £1, so that's not so great either. But the good points, as I said, about Quidco, there are deals throughout the time. You know, they always do specials, so you might get a better deal on Quidco than Topcashback at any given time. So basically what I would suggest is that you register for both of them, because then whenever you want to buy anything online, I would just go through, look at both of them, see which one of them offer that company or service and which is the better cashback, and then you go from there. Basically it's the best way to check, because it could always be one or the other. Now finally, I just want to quickly mention Kidstart should I say. Kidstart is very similar, same sort of thing, but there's less companies that you can choose from, and also it's a lower rate of commission. However, the difference with this one is that, and you might think it's a bad thing as well, you can't personally withdraw the money, but what it has to do is to go into a child's fund, a child's bank account, and only they can withdraw the money. So this is a nice little way to, perhaps if you've got a grandchild, or if you're a parent and you want to sort of get a little special fund for your child, then you can do this. Arguably you could use the other sites and just take the money out and give it to them, but it's a nice way to make sure that that money is set for that child. So I hope that you found this useful. If you want to find more ways to make some money online, I have a free PDF that you can download, which will also be in the comments. And again, just don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. It would be wonderful just to help me along here, and also that would help you guys as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.